In this video, I will show you how to create a habit tracker, aesthetic, and without unnecessary things. You can put any habit you want and check it every day of the week. Also, you will be able to see the progress of all the completed weeks of the year, which are 52, and you will be able to modify them as well. Even if you skip a day and don't check it, you will be able to see the average weekly progress. You can also assign morning or evening habits. And in case you want to reset the weeks, I will tell you how to make a button to reset everything with a click. Okay, the first step is to create a new page. We'll add an icon to it. Here we'll give it a name. Type /gal. New gallery. Here, type routine. Click on the 3 dots, and then here. Now, delete this page. Click on page 2, and type morning. On page 3, type evening, and add an icon to both. Then, click on tags, delete property. Do the same for created. Now, add property, text. Here, type time. And here, set the time. In this case, it would be this. Do the same for evening. Now click on the 3 dots. Properties, and click here. Next, go to Layout. In Card Preview, select None. In Card Size, set it to Small. In Gallery View, delete everything and add a space so the text field remains empty. And click here to add an icon. Okay, now move this a bit down. Click here and type /callout. Here, type routine. And add an icon. Select all the text, bold it, and give it a color. Now move this here so it stays inside. Now type /tableview, new table, name it habits. Click on the 3 dots, hide, delete tags. Now click rename. Add a space so the text remains empty and add an icon. Okay, here, write down 2 habits. You'll add more later, but for now, just add 2. Delete this last empty field. Now click here, search for checkbox, and label it Monday, in this case MO to keep it short. Duplicate property and label it Tuesday. Do the same for all the days of the week. Okay, now click here. Search for number, completed weeks, and select ring. Here, set it to 52, which represents the 52 weeks of the year. Click here and search for formula. Here, type weekly progress. Click on formula and select Monday. Now write the following code and add the plus sign at the end. Press Shift plus, enter on Windows, or Shift plus, return on Mac. Then, select Tuesday, enter the exact same command and do the same for all the days of the week. Alright, when you get to the last day, don't add the plus sign. It should look something like this. Add another parenthesis at the end. Also, go to the beginning and place another parenthesis. Now go to the end, space, and type /7, which represents all the days of the week. Go back to the beginning and press Shift plus Enter to create a space. Here, type round. Then, 2 parentheses to the right, go back to the end, press Shift plus Enter, add a parenthesis, then type multiplied by 100 and close the parenthesis. Now type /100, and that's it. It should look exactly like this. Now click Save. In number format, set it to %, and select Ring. Uncheck the Show Number box, and make sure everything works correctly. As you can see, the weekly progress bar works fine. Now click here, search for relation, and here, search for routine. Check the box Show on Routine, add relation, and choose between morning and evening. Alright, now click here, Layout, List. Click on the 3 dots again, Properties, Show All, and hide Routine. Now order the days from Monday to Sunday, and it should be in exactly this order, close. Click on the 3 dots, Group. Click on Routine. In Sort, select Manual, and move Morning to the top. Here, you will add the habits you want, and then add an icon. Here, set it to 0. This would be the completed weeks. In Morning, go to More Options, Average, Weekly Progress, and everything should be working correctly. Now type /callout and name it Habits. Drag this inside. Now at the top, type /button. Edit pages in, and here select Habits. Edit a property, Monday, and set it to unchecked. Do exactly the same with all the other days. Now, select Show Confirmation and drag it to the very top. Here, name it Reset Week. And if you press the button, the week will reset correctly. If the video was helpful, consider leaving me a like, subscribing, and writing something in the comments. Thank you very much.